Hello, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, Neural Control and Coordination. Neural system. So how neural system is going to control and coordinate in our body? We are now going to discuss through this chapter. Coordination is the process through which two or more organs interact and complement the function of one another. See, what does this NCERT line means? Coordination. So what do you mean by coordination? Coordination will be through two or more organ will interact and complement each other, complement the function of each other. Like you can say that two or more organ will complement the function of each other. Now we'll move on to human neural system. See, human neural system will be divided into two parts, CNS and PNS, central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system, the main arena of central nervous system will be brain and spinal cord. So all the nerves from brain and spinal cord will be in between CNS or will be of CNS. Next is PNS. PNS will be divided into two parts, somatic neural system and autonomic neural system. Again, this autonomic neural system is divided into two parts, synthetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. See, there are two types of nerve fibers in PNS. One is afferent, another one is efferent. Efferent neurons or efferent nerve fiber transmit impulses from tissues or organs to CNS. The opposite will be of efferent. Efferent nervous system from CNS to peripheral tissues or organs. Coming to somatic. Somatic transmit the impulse from CNS to skeletal muscle, whereas autonomic neural system transport the impulse from CNS to involuntary organs or smooth muscles. There is one more, visceral neural system. Okay, so this visceral neural system will be, the impulse will be through the viscera inside the body. Next, coming to neuron. See, what is neuron? Neuron is the functional and structural unit of neural system, and it composed of three things: cell body, dendrites and axon. Cell body contains cytoplasm, cell organelle and a granular structure called Nissl granule. Again, this Nissl granule is present on dendrites. So you can say axon is devoid of Nissl granule. Nissl granule is not present in axon, only in cell body and dendrite it will be seen. Next, axon, the terminal of axon will be made up of synaptic nerve, that is bulb like structure, and inside that synaptic nerve there will be chemicals known as neurotransmitters. Axon may be myelinated and non-myelinated. So myelinated axon will have myelin sheath and Schwann cells. Okay, Schwann cell will be enveloped and there will be myelin sheath, and the gap between two myelin sheath will be referred to as nodes of Ranvier. What? Nodes of Ranvier. Myelinated nerve fibers are found in spinal and cranial nerve. Next, coming to non-myelinated nerve fiber. Non-myelinated nerve fiber will have Schwann cells but will not be covered up with myelin sheath that are found in ANS and SNS, that is autonomic nervous system and somatic nervous system. Next, coming to type of neurons on the basis of the number of dendrite and axon. See, neuron will be of three types on the basis of number of axon and dendrites. One axon, two or more dendrite will be multipolar, found in cerebral cortex. One axon, one dendrite will be bipolar, found in retina of eye. One axon only, no dendrite, will be unipolar, found in embryonic stage. I will be discussing nerve impulse or generation of impulse and transmission impulse in the next lecture, but we will having a review of NCERT lines and diagrams. See these diagrams. This one is an axon. We can say this one is a myelinated multipolar axon, because we have one axon and one or two or more dendrites, so it will be under multipolar. And as it is covered with myelin sheath, the axon is being covered or enveloped with myelin sheath, it will be myelinated nerve fiber. See, these are dendrites. These small dotted structures are nasal granules. This one is cell body, this one is nucleus, this one is Schwann cell, and Schwann cell is being covered up with myelin sheath. This total whole long structure is axon. So we can say that axon is long fiber. What? Axon is long fiber, but dendrite are short fiber. Okay, see, when impulse come, what, when an impulse come, or you can say a nerve impulse come, the dendrites take the impulse towards the cell body, and the axon takes the impulse away from the cell body. So in basis of reference of cell body only, we are saying that how an impulse is being transmitted through a neuron. Okay, next, this one is myelin sheath. The gap between two myelin sheath is referred to as nodes of Ranvier. See, those are axon terminals, and it is ended up with a bulb-like structure called synaptic nerve. And if it is one neuron and there will be another neuron, so the gap between two neuron will be synaptic cleft. We will be reading this in next part. That's all. Thank you.